Good morning, guys. In front of me is ZTE Blade A55, and let me show you how to add photo to contact. Start with opening your phone dialer. Once you're not in contact, go to this panel, and now select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to. Mark Edit, mark Add Picture then, and you can either choose something from your gallery, you can grab a photo right now with camera, you can select one from Google Photos or illustrations, whichever you prefer. Pick the photo, customize it however you like, and then tap on Choose to apply. Mark Save to apply the change, and that's it, it has been added. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.